fix HMA Pro VPN Mac OS X client not starting issue. If you're trying to open and use the HMA VPN Mac OS X client, and it just will not open, please follow the instructions below in order to avoid this issue in the future. For apps that don't have an uninstaller, such as HMA VPN, in the Finder sidebar click on Applications. Drag the app from the Applications folder to the trash, located at the end of the dock. Then choose Finder Empty Trash. Once you have removed it, restart your Mac. Now, open Terminal and run the following command, defaults right com apple.finder. Apple show all files yes. For Mac's OS X version 10.7 or below, you can also try, sudo defaults right com apple.finder. Apple show all files yes, allow finder. Here is how to start the terminal on Mac OS X system. Now close the terminal. After you have closed terminal, click on Go and select Home as shown on the image below, locate the .mono folder and right mouse click on it and select Open in the new tab by right clicking the .mono folder. Navigate to Registry-Current User-Software and delete Privax folder. Close the window. Now, click on Go and select Computer as shown on the image below, select the drive on which is OS X installed and access it. Open Library-Extensions and delete tab.kxt and ton.kxt. Now go back to Library-Startup Items and delete both folders, tab folder and ton folder. Now close the window and reboot your Mac. Finally, download and install HMA VPN app from here, HMA VPN for Mac OS X.